In January 2017, Rivian purchased land and an old auto manufacturing factory in Normal, Illinois for $16 million. Since then, the Amazon-backed EV maker, which is currently worth nearly $90 billion, has impressed the world and emerged as a real competitor in the EV market. With deliveries well underway for the R1T and R1S deliveries expected in mid-2022, Rivian is running out of real estate to keep up with demand. Rivian's only current manufacturing facility in Normal will be capable of producing 150,000 EVs by 2023, with plans to eventually produce 200,000 EVs annually. With current estimates pegging US EV market sales to rise 6.9 million units by 2025, Rivian wants to make sure it is ready to fill that demand. In July 2021, rumors emerged that Rivian was planning the construction of a second manufacturing factory, with rumors of a $5,000 initial investment and a massive 10,000-acre plot, possibly in Arizona. However, on December 16, 2021, the emerging automaker formally announced that it would begin construction on its second factory in 2022 and that it would be in Georgia, with the goal of producing the first saleable vehicles in as early as 2024. In this video, we'll be taking an inside look at Rivian's plan to build a $5 billion manufacturing plant in Georgia. Before we start though, make sure to like our video if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Now, let's get right into it. Rivian, based in Irvine, California, is a startup that makes electric trucks, electric SUVs, and commercial delivery vans, taking on both established automakers like Ford and General Motors, as well as electric vehicle leader Tesla. Known across the industry as the Tesla of trucks, Rivian has quickly emerged as a real competitor in the EV market. The California-based company now plans to go all in 2022 with a new $5 billion battery and assembly plant. Rivian is calling the plant a carbon-conscious campus, and it will be built just east of Atlanta, Georgia in Morgantown and Walton counties. While the plot of land isn't anywhere near the 10,000 acres originally rumored, the nearly 2,000-acre parcel will include abundant natural space and will aim to develop community engagement and workforce training programs in the area to encourage locals to work at the campus. Site plans also include an adventure trail, with plans depicting the trail within a wooded area inside the 2,000-acre complex. Initial plans suggest a total proposed square footage of 19.6 million square feet. That's big. For some perspective on exactly how big that is, Tesla's new Gigafactory in Texas is approximately 4.5 million square feet. The complex will not only have facilities dedicated to the production of EVs, but will also include an on-site delivery center as well as 144 EV charging stalls for outbound vehicle preparation. Additionally, there will be a test track, an event center, and at least 13 different buildings. Site plans also state that other uses for the site may include a medical clinic, research and development, recreation facilities, restaurant, training, daycare, hotel, health clubs, solar, wind, and other similar environmental forms of energy production. This may truly be the carbon-conscious EV mega campus that Rivian is envisioning by the time it is complete. The plant is anticipated to eventually employ up to 10,000 people, making it one of the largest auto assembly complexes in the United States, rivaled only by the 11,000-worker BMW complex in Spartanburg, South Carolina, and Ford's 8,600-worker plant in Louisville, Kentucky. Once fully ramped, Rivian anticipates the Georgia facility being capable of producing up to 400,000 vehicles per year, which would provide Rivian with a total production capacity of nearly 600,000 units per year by 2025. In comparison, Tesla produced and delivered just under 1 million units in 2021. According to published reports, Rivian was offered a $440 million incentive package by the city of Fort Worth, Texas, to lure the plant during the summer of 2021. And Rivian had also considered sites in Arizona and Michigan. So why did Rivian pick Georgia? By Georgia Governor Brian Kemp's own public admission, I don't think we were on their mind early on. All we were trying to do was get them to Georgia to show them the site and sell them on what we've got. We knew if we could get them here, we could make a good case. And that's exactly what happened. In late October 2021, Rivian CEO RJ SCARINGE met with Governor Kemp for 30 minutes. And the foundation was built to seal the deal for a $5 billion plant that Governor Kemp called the largest single economic development project in state history. In November 2021, founder and CEO Robert SCARINGE told Bloomberg Television that the ability to attract good employees would be the most important factor in the decision. Publicly, Rivian stated that it evaluated a number of sites across the country, and that Georgia was selected based on a combination of sustainable business operations, talent pool, and proximity to supply chain and logistics. What certainly didn't hurt, though, was the rumored incentives provided by the state of Georgia to Rivian. Given past incentives offered to other automakers, it's anticipated that the total incentive deal offered to Rivian may be close to $1 billion. In 2006, for example, Kia received over $450 million in incentives for its plant southwest of Atlanta, and SK Innovations was promised $300 million in incentives for its $2.6 billion 2,600 worker battery plant in Commerce, Georgia. The company may also take advantage of Georgia's mega tax credit, which offers companies $5,250 per job annually for 5 years for companies making major investments in Georgia. What this means for Rivian is that if it fulfills its initial promise to create 7,500 jobs, Rivian will be entitled to roughly $200 million. Rivian, like Tesla, deals directly with its customers rather than going through dealers. Its arrival in Georgia may prompt the state to relax a law that currently prohibits manufacturers from selling directly to consumers. While Tesla has a carve-out in Georgia that allows it to sell directly to customers rather than through a dealership, other new EV companies looking to avoid the dealership model have not yet received the same benefit. The deal also caught locals off guard. According to the local newspaper, the new plant would be larger than Disneyland and Vatican City combined. Opponents of the Rivian power plant claim that the project will harm rural Georgia. Either way, it seems that the plant will ultimately end up in Georgia, and when construction is complete, it will be an exciting new EV campus that should boost economic activity in the area for decades. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment below. Also, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified when we upload more content.